Hey guys, so in today's video, I am going to show you a tutorial on this hairstyle that I have been wearing a lot lately. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So this is what my hair looks like before. This is just air dried hair after I got out of the shower while I did my makeup, and today I used the cherry almond range from AVEDA. Oh my god, I love this so much, it's amazing. And to protect my hair from heat, I'm going to use this heat protectant from Wella. I am just going to spray this very generously all over my hair, and for curling my hair today I am going to use this straightener from Almond. I absolutely love the straightener. Okay, so for creating the curls, I like to take in a section of hair that is this thick roughly, and then I wrap the straightener around 180 degrees. It's easier to see than for me to explain how I do it, so I'm going to show you how I like to do it on the other side as well. So on this side of my hair, I like to turn the straightener over on the other direction because I really like that. I really like my waves to be on different direction on either side of my parting. And as you can tell that I'm going rather slow while I'm pulling the straightener down, so this makes the curls like slightly tighter. The faster you pull your straightener down, the looser the wave, and the slower you pull the straightener down, the tighter the curls you're going to get. I hope that's making sense, but basically I'm just going to repeat the same thing all over my hair, just wrapping the hair around and pulling the straightener down. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually really easy, and it happens super fast as well because I'm just taking like random chunk. Now this is the most important part, and I think this is what really gives me that really voluminous effect that I'm very much enjoying these days. So what I do is just take like a hairbrush and very gently tease the curls up. It looks really messy right now, but trust me, it's gonna look really nice once you like brush the teasing down. So I'm just gonna like try and open up the curls and separate each of them by teasing it upwards. I am also picking up like random chunks of hair and like teasing it from beneath, and I'm going to repeat the exact same thing on the other end as well. So I'm being very random about the placement of the teasing and just making sure my hair is twice X the size than it was. And lastly, I like to do the fringe area so that it like really frames my face and sits effortlessly. So I just pick it up and tease it from behind, so it has that grip of sorts to kind of sit in that direction and stay like that without me having to use any hairspray. So yeah, that's it. And then you just like comb it out a little bit. For my hair, especially after using the cherry almond, it has become really soft and manageable on its own. And yeah, this is it. This is how I've been wearing my hair a lot lately, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.